Technology is transforming the way facility services are being delivered. Mobile is empowering workers in completely new ways. Big data is improving operational efficiency and reducing risk. The pace of change has increased significantly, and the future of workforce management is going to be very different. Meet Lighthouse, the new standard in workforce management. Lighthouse is an intelligent, mobile-first platform that helps you visualize and optimize operations across facilities like shopping malls, transport hubs, corporate campuses, hospitals, and stadiums. Workers like cleaners, security guards, and field technicians are armed with a location-aware mobile app that allows them to record shifts, send and receive messages, manage tasks, and report issues all from the palm of their hand, making inefficient paper-based processes a thing of the past. Lighthouse uses intelligent inputs from wireless sensors, like Bluetooth beacons, to understand a worker's current context and then deliver highly relevant workflows and notifications. Supervisors and managers can use the app to view a live feed of activity at their site and be alerted about issues and service failures in real time. The data generated by the mobile app is translated into powerful cloud-based reporting that helps you lower costs, improve quality, and increase worker safety across facilities. Do you know where your workers are right now? Lighthouse real-time maps lets you know where every one of your workers are. You can pinpoint a worker in seconds. Heat maps and historical data allow you to optimize labor and routes. Help defend against public slip and fall claims with verifiable service records that demonstrate compliance with risk management processes. In-depth reports provide a new level of insight into your operations, allowing you to easily evaluate performance across multiple sites and make decisions that improve quality, increase safety, and reduce costs. Lighthouse is already changing the game for some of the world's largest facility management companies and commercial property owners. Get ready to join the future of workforce management. Book a demo today.